How to fix your earphones or headphones works for music but not for calls. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video I will simply show you the way on how you can fix if your earphones or headphones are working whenever you're listening to a music but not for calls. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first of all, if you're plugging in your headphones, for example, you're being able to hear the music but you're not being able to use it for calls. So one of the most reasons could be because let's say that you are using a wired headphones, for example. Your wired headphones could simply not have microphones. So most of the earphones, such as the unbranded ones, actually are an earpiece that do not have default microphones set in with their earphone pieces. So that's going to be one of the reasons why you're not being able to use for calls. The other way is that if you are actually using a wireless Bluetooth device. In my case, I faced this issue as well. The problem in my case was simply my software issue. For example, I had actually flashed a custom ROM, and that was the reason why it was working for music and everything but not for calls, because whenever you switch to calls, it would basically not switch to that particular Bluetooth device. So in order to fix this, you have to, first of all, if you're using the official version of your software, you could go ahead and simply update it through the settings as well. So open up your settings app and over here look for the option which says software update. Go ahead and select software update and you'll be able to see a bunch of different options. If your phone has an update available, you have to simply tap on it in order to update your operating system to the latest version. The other thing you can do is you can simply restart your phone. So sometimes it could be a minor bug or glitch. Restart your earpiece if it's a Bluetooth connected device, or restart your phone as well and then see if your issue has been fixed. However, if the issue is not been fixed, then most likely what I recommend you is to simply take it to a nearby local shop or a repair store in order to get your phone fixed and see what the actual problem really is. We hope one of these solutions may have worked for you. If it did work for you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.